What's up, guys? It's your boy SOC Ghost back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a prank. It's like an air horn prank. We're gonna do it on my brother and my mom and dad. And so I hid my air horns here. I hid the air horns somewhere so that they don't find it. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I was a little busy. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna go with the air horn. We're gonna do my family first. My brother's in the backyard on trampoline, and then my other people. They're in the living room. So I know I put the air horn behind like a picture. All right, guys, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna secretly get it. Go.
Oh, really?
She said, "Oh my gosh." Let me do my Damon.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, alright, I got my family. I heard about you guys found out from my mom, but she said, "Oh my gosh." And then my dad, he flinched, I know. I was in the backyard, I gotta be quiet. This will be a little short video too. Set this down. Might scare the neighbors. I'm just gonna run inside. I'm just gonna run. Let me do 1, 2 jumps. 1, 2 jumps. And Joey goes like this. I'll do it. I'm going to go for the toilet. God. I'm cooking. I might do it. I need to do it right now. This way. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go this way. Go this way, hopefully. He might know. Alright, one side. And then. Oh, God. Did you get scared once I did it?
It's loud. It hurt my ears.
Does it look like I care?
Yes.
Yeah. So, dude, I can hear the log, dummy. Alright, guys, so that's the end of today's video. I'm just gonna go through see if I can go through the back door and do it in the front else. I'm not looking close because we're done. you could lock me out.
Devin,
Yeah?
get in here, honey.
Huh?
No more.
We're Jacob and Judy
No,
Bueno.
no more.
One more.
No.
What?
We're Jacob
No
and
more.
Judy Bueno.
Some of the neighbors will call the police for a noise ordinance.
We're Jacob and Judy.
No, I can't. Alright guys, that's gonna end it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Only like 5 minutes. So guys, I will see you guys next time. Peace. I'm gonna try to upload every single day, by the way. I'm trying. Tomorrow I have an idea. Maybe I'll do a video later on today. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.